Today we're going to play a game called Flip It. Now with the game Flip It, you're going to get into groups of 3 to 5 and then quickly go to a cone. Once I see everybody's at a cone and in a group of 3 to 5, then I'll go ahead and put the hula hoops out and we will get started. Now you must have one foot on the poly spot when you are throwing the bean bag. You must do an underhand toss, and if you miss it, that's totally okay. You can just go ahead, quickly pick it up, and then you're going to put it at the cone. You do not throw it at your person. You want to make sure that it's not hurting anybody, and then the next person is going to move up in line, and then you go to the end of line, and you always stay in the same line order. It never changes. Now the next person is going to pick up a beanbag, and if they throw it and make it, then they are going to run around the hula hoop. Now remember, you're going to stay in the same line order. So once you go, you're going to go to the end of line and everybody else is going to move back up and then they can go ahead and get started. So there will be a time when you get all your beanbags in the hula hoop. When you do that, you're going to go over to it. And this is why the game's called Flip It, because you are going to flip it. Once you flip it, you are now on level 2, and your group is winning if you're on the highest level, not if your hula hoop is the farthest. Okay, so make sure you are flipping it gently and not just tossing it. Now you're going to get your bean bags and pick them up, and then you are going to bring them back to the cone. Because remember, we don't throw it at people, we just put it at the cone. And then the next people in line are going to move on up, and then you're going to go to the end of the line, and now you guys are on level 2. Now, just for a better example, guys, now with this is level 1, and of course you want to gently flip it to level 2, gently flip it to level 3, because you don't want to be on level 3 when you're really only on level 2, okay? So if you have the highest level, that's how you win the game. Flip it. Now, if you have any questions about how to play the game, feel free to let me know.